What's up guys, we are back with another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a full vinyl wrap in a matte color shift midnight purple, and this thing should turn out absolutely crazy. We're going to do a quick walk around real quick, let you guys see the car, and we're going to completely transform it. We may do some type of gloss black aggressive accent on the front bumper just to give it more of an aggressive look, but this one's definitely going to be completely changed once we're finished. About to get started on this one very shortly, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. A lot more content coming very soon. If you haven't already, go check out the Charger video that we just finished. It should be out before this video, so if you haven't already, go check it out. But about to take some pictures and get this car ready to be wrapped, and yeah, this one should turn out pretty crazy. Alright guys, we're about to pull the Civic in, we're about to get started, and I'm going to show you guys the color. And we're going to get a couple panels laid today. Probably going to knock out the hood, roof, and fenders first. We're going to take it light today, and then tomorrow we're going to knock out a bunch. But let's get started. Okay guys, so we got the car pulled in. This is a bit smaller car, so we got a lot of space this time. So we got the car pulled in pretty sideways, but this is going to be crazy. I'll show you guys the color real quick. And we're going to be doing the matte purple black iridescent, and this is going to be probably super sick once it's finished. It's going to completely transform this whole car. But start on this thing, we're going to wipe down the whole car, and then we're going to get started on the hood, fenders, and maybe knock out a quarter panel today. We're going to see how we're feeling. We're going to knock out as much as we can, and so tomorrow then we're going to really get a lot done. But this wrap really shouldn't take too long. Alright, now that we got the door handle off, we're going to go ahead and start this side. We're going to knock out this door, both fenders, and the hood today. And we're going to take the other door handle off tomorrow. Now that we finished the door, we just went ahead and put the door handle back on. We're about to reassemble the door panel so we can close this door on this side. And you definitely want to make sure you don't close this door while you got all of this stuff disconnected, especially the outer door handle, because getting in the car is going to be a hassle. But yeah, we're about to put this door panel back on and get started in the next panel. Do this trunk in real time for you guys, and basically we're going to be doing this trunk in two halves because he's leaving the spoiler gloss black, and the spoiler comes all the way to the edge. But I'm going to show you guys how to make it look seamless, make it look like one big piece. Let's finish wiping it down. You got to make sure you hit them edges too. show you guys real quick what it looks like up close. As you guys can see, we did the side of it. We're not gonna just leave that unwrapped. Corner's looking good. The paint's not in the best condition, so, but we're gonna make it look as clean as possible. Alright guys, so we got the roof all glassed out. We did some sanding on this front corner to get all that peeling and chip paint smoothed out. We're about to squeegee out the whole rest of the roof. And then we're gonna move on to the other side. We're probably gonna knock out the fender, the quarter panel, and I don't know, we'll see what else we'll move on to today. We already got a lot done. Finished the quarter panel, finished the roof, finished the top of the trunk. And we'll probably just knock out the other quarter panel today and the fender, and then we'll move on to the door. After we do that, the only thing that will really be left is the bumpers and the rest of the trunk. And then yeah, this one will pretty much be almost finished up, so we'll probably finish this a couple days early, which gives us plenty of time to work on this. But let's get back to this. We're gonna finish squeegeeing out this hood, then we're gonna move on, finish this quarter panel, finish this fender, knock out this door, and then yeah, keep on moving through this thing. Alright, as you guys can see, it looks like one piece. There is some paint defects on this car, so it doesn't look absolutely 100% perfect, but you can't even tell it's separate. It looks like a single piece. I think this design looks a little bit better with the gloss black. Makes it pop a little bit. On the quarter panel side skirt, all in one piece. About to take this door handle off and do this last door, and then after that we will pretty much be done with this car for the day. Only thing else we really have to do is the rear bumper and the front bumper, and we're gonna do that tomorrow. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Let's get into breaking down this door, get the door handle off, and let's get it. Got the door handle off. About to do the door now. Alright guys, we're about to work on this rear bumper. About to knock this one out, and then we're gonna move on to the front bumper. So we're definitely going to be finishing this one today. This thing is turning out very nice. It looks like a whole new car already. But yeah, so what we're going to be doing now is just cutting out the film for the rear bumper. We're going to leave this bottom black piece. We're going to leave that there, and to give it like a diffuser type look. And then after we do that, we will move on to the front bumper. We already ended up taking out the front grill pieces right here. We already took out these front grill pieces, and we're actually going to be doing a design on the front bumper. We're going to be leaving from here. Come on, Zeus, get out of here. From here down, it's going to be gloss black, and we're going to leave this right here gloss black all the way up into here. So it's going to be full purple. This is going to be purple, but right here is going to be black, and right here is going to be black in the middle. It should give it a more aggressive look for the front bumper. We still got to wipe this down, and we still got to take the bracket off of the license plate. So we're gonna do the rear bumper first, and then after that we are going to move on to the front. But I mean, the rest of the car is pretty much done. We just gotta wipe it down and get it ready. So yeah, let's knock these bumpers out, and yeah, then we're gonna move on. And after we finish this, tomorrow we're gonna do these 300 star. And yeah, we got a couple of car shows coming very soon, this weekend actually. So we're going to Elite Tuner. I think this is our first Elite Tuner show. So hopefully it's a crazy turnout. And as soon as the Elite Tuner show is over, I'm going to be driving to New Jersey directly after. Probably won't even get there till like 1 a.m. And then we got to be at the show at 7 or 8 a.m. in New Jersey. I believe Caden's coming with us. We're going to head straight there as soon as the show is over. So we're traveling for these shows, man. We're on a world tour right now. After these next two shows, the next show we're going to be going to is Clean Culture back in New York at the Duchess Stadium, I believe. And after that, we're going to be going to the Kalahari Resort in PA. That's Board Society. And that one we went to last year with the yellow. So hopefully this year we can take home a trophy. Last year we did not. But we got a whole new setup, a lot more modifications done to the Q50. And yeah, hopefully we can bring home a trophy or something. Yeah, that would be pretty sick. But yeah, we got plenty of shows coming up, so stay tuned for that. We're about to knock these bumpers out. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we got half of the bumper on the rear pretty much wrapped. We just gotta move on to the other side and do that side. But as you guys can see, it's looking pretty clean. They got some overspray on a lot of parts of the car, but I mean, it's not much you can do besides sanding it down. It doesn't look too horrible, but it's definitely turning out really nice. Looks like a brand new car almost. We're about to finish up on this side, tuck everything right around this area, trim up on the bottom, trim up on the top, and we're gonna do the other side first before we do any trimming. So let's do that, and then we're gonna tuck in here. We're doing a full one piece on the rear bumper, and we're also gonna do a full one piece on the front bumper. So yeah, this thing is turning out really nice, and yeah, let's get back to it. Alright guys, so I just finished the bumper earlier today, and we did the little design right here, hand cut. Ran out the nicest tape, but it looks super clean. Got some chips in the front bumper, but definitely turned out really nice. I think this look gives it a little bit more aggressive look. And we also did the big mouth on the lower end, leaving the middle unwrapped. But this thing turned out really good. Looks like a whole new car now. Let me know what you guys think. I'll show you guys more videos of it tomorrow in the sun, so you guys can get a better idea, but this thing looks really good now. Alright guys, so we're pretty much finished up on this one. We're going to do a quick walk around, and this thing looks like a brand new car now that we just finished up. I mean, look at that. With the gloss black accents, I think it makes it pop even more. The gloss against the satin. We're going to have to get that wrap off that tire. But yeah, this thing looking really good. Look like a whole new car from when he first dropped it off. We left the spoiler gloss black. We left the inside of the license plate area black. Bottom of the bumper gloss black. Just to give it some gloss black accents, makes it look a lot cleaner. We're about to go ahead and take some pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. This one definitely got a full makeover. Looks like a brand new car now. We're gonna go ahead and post heat, then we're gonna walk around and wipe the whole car down, get it ready for pickup. He should be ready to pick it up in the next 30 minutes. But I mean, this thing turned out pretty crazy. Let me know what you guys think from before to after. Did we bring him back to life? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, this thing turned out pretty crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys next time. We got plenty of videos coming out this weekend. We're going to be going to Elite Tuner on Saturday, and we're also going to be going to New Jersey for a car show out there, which should be an even crazier meet. I'm not sure if Caden will be joining us, but I will let you guys know, or you guys will just see it in the next video. I'll do a quick walk around, let you guys see the car up close. Sheesh. The color shift goes crazy.